Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's episode, we're going to talk about how to know when your viewers are on YouTube. So this will help us identify what day or what time are they going to be available on YouTube so we can plan ahead when are we going to upload a specific video or to live stream. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button of our YouTube channel, Chain Family. Open our browser and then type in YouTube Desktop and click here. Then, once you have already your Google account set up, it will automatically appear or show your YouTube studio. Go to Channel Analytics, click that one. Then it will direct you here. So you'll see graphs and you'll see this overview, reach, engagement, audience, revenue. Just click audience. And then so you'll see that you'll be having information about your unique viewers and average views per viewer. So there's a graph here. And below, there will be this information. So when your viewers are on YouTube, so it is an information for you for the last 28 days local time. And here you'll see there are faded colors, there are also thick colors, so you'll identify what time or what day are they exactly gonna be on YouTube. So in my case, most of my viewers are available before 6 p.m. local time. Let's say Sunday before 6 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So the best time for me to upload new videos or to live stream would be before 6 p.m. on those days. Now, of course, it will be different from my case to yours. So you just have to check here. And I hope this will help so that when you go live or premiere, you'll have an idea of when are you going to schedule your live stream or your premiere. Okay? So I hope this helps you to plan ahead. And of course, don't forget to like this video if you like the content and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Okay? Thank you very much.